Master these 3 things, and you're guaranteed to get the girl you want. No matter how beautiful or how high her status is, you'll be able to win her over. Pay close attention to this video until the end, because this is valuable knowledge you're getting for free. Alright, if you want to get the girl you like, or even everything you want in life, you can do it by applying the following 3 laws. 1. Murphy's Law. This law states that the more you fear something, the more likely it is to happen. Whatever you think about will become reality. This happens because your brain works according to your thoughts. So the key here is to control your thoughts. Master Murphy's Law by keeping your mind positive. In other words, if you want to attract the girl you desire, but you're always insecure, feeling unattractive, or thinking you're poor, that's exactly how your life will turn out. The girl will see you as unattractive, poor, and uninteresting. On the other hand, if you're confident that you have attractive qualities and believe you can succeed in whatever field you pursue, then that's what will happen. The girl will see you as someone appealing and successful. This law can also apply to other aspects of life, such as your career or business. When you want to achieve something, start by thinking positively, being optimistic, and having faith in yourself. Number 2, Deadline Law. This law explains that if you can clearly define the problem you're facing, you've already solved part of it. Most problems occur not because of what's happening, but because you can't define the issue clearly. It's like going to war without knowing your enemy's strengths or weaknesses. You're bound to lose. In terms of winning over the girl you like, first understand who she is. Learn about her background, what she likes and dislikes. Use that knowledge when approaching her. Don't rush into confessing your feelings when you don't really know her. This law applies to other areas of life as well, highlighting the importance of preparation. People who prepare have a much greater chance of success. It's like a soccer team that trains hard and prepares strategies has a much better chance of winning compared to a team that doesn't prepare. 3. Wilson's Law. This is the coolest law, bro. The concept is, if you prioritize knowledge and skills, money will come to you. Meaning, money comes because of the value you offer. If you have value, you won't need to chase money. Money will chase you. This law has been used by many successful people throughout history, whether in their careers or finances. You can also use this law to get the girl you want. Instead of wasting your energy chasing after girls, focus on improving yourself. Work on your value, fix your weaknesses, and enhance your strengths. If you become a high-quality and valuable man, you won't need to chase girls. They'll be the ones chasing you. Those are the 3 things that, if you master them, will guarantee that you can get the girl you want and achieve whatever dreams you have in life. Alright bro, that's the end of the video. Hope it helps.